Have you ever wondered what happens between the power plant and your home? The answer is substations and transformers, the heart of the power system.
Hi friends, welcome to Circuit Info YouTube channel.
Today we will go inside a substation and see how transformers control voltage and keep power safe. Step 1. What is a substation? A substation is a facility in the power system where voltage levels are adjusted. It acts as a hub, connecting transmission lines to distribution networks. Substations ensure electricity is safe, reliable, and efficient before reaching homes or industries. Step 2. Types of substations. There are three main types. Step-up substation increases voltage for transmission from the power plant. Step-down substation reduces voltage for safe distribution. Switching substation connects or isolates lines for maintenance and fault protection. Step 3. Main components. Key components of a substation include transformers, step-up or step-down voltage. Circuit breakers protect against short circuits. Busbars conduct electricity within the substation. Isolators disconnect sections for maintenance relays, detect faults and trigger breakers. Control panels monitor system parameters. Step 4. How transformers work. Transformers change voltage levels using electromagnetic induction. Step-up transformers increase voltage for long-distance transmission. Step-down transformers reduce voltage for local distribution. Think of a transformer like a pressure regulator for electricity. Step 5. Power flow inside substation. Electricity flows like this. High voltage from power plant to enters substation to transformer adjusts. Voltage to distribution lines to homes and industries. Substations also monitor, protect, and control power flow continuously. Step 6. Safety features. Substations are designed with safety in mind. Earthing systems prevent shock. Circuit breakers disconnect faults. Relays ensure rapid response, fencing, and restricted access. Protect people from high voltage. Step 7. Simple analogy. Think of a substation as a traffic control hub. Power is like cars. Transformers are toll booths adjusting speed, voltage. Circuit breakers are traffic lights stopping dangerous flow. Bus bars are highways inside the hub. So substations and transformers are the unsung heroes of the power system. They control voltage, protect the system, and make sure electricity reaches you safely and efficiently. If you learned something new today, please like, share, and subscribe. Comment below if you want a full transformer animation tutorial next.